got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Sean B Nice, back here with some more heat rocking. Today, I want to talk to you guys about if rooting on Android is dead. Now, here you guys will be seeing gameplay of Battlefield 1. I figure I haven't given you guys a video in a long time with me actually playing the game and kind of sharing my thoughts with y'all. So check it out. And this is Battlefield 1 Season Pass, the last expansion pack for it, and I'm having a really fun time with this game. But back to what we were talking about, back to the agenda. So my question to you guys is, because I honestly believe that rooting on Android is dead. Do you guys remember back, like, maybe a few years ago? I mean, I know some people still do it now, but for the most part, most people don't root their phones anymore. And I think it's because Android has matured in such a way where you don't need to anymore. Remember, you used to have an application, this is like a while back, but you remember when the HTC M7 came out and they had the Beats audio with it? And most Android users like myself was so jealous that HTC was like the only Android phone that had that feature. So they actually had a rooting app which you could put on your phone. They kind of tweaked your audio settings a little bit, and then when you plug your headphones up, you see the Beats logo. Don't know if you guys remember that or not, but either way, it was a very fun thing to do, kind of make your phone your own. Even with customization, there were times when you couldn't even do, simple things with your customization on your phone, whether it was like, multitasking or any extra features or anything with the notification settings or notification slides or LED lights, all of that stuff. I feel that now I don't think rooting is important anymore because Android has come such a long way and give you full customization of your phone. I think they've listened to Android users over the past years and actually has made Android to the point where it's like, hey, right now the only thing we really care about is fluidity and battery life. Now, there are still some apps that can help, if you root your phone, that can help with battery life. But even still, with Android introducing those and then, even making that better further along with the more updates we get, with security. And, most Android manufacturers other than, Google, just period, like LG, HTC, Samsung, they listen to us, and most of the features that we want or that we think we want, that we think they should put on the phones, they actually end up doing. You know what I mean? Even like right now, take a look at the S9 Plus. Samsung after all these, years and final complaints, they finally give us dual speakers. You know what I mean? So I think it's manufacturers, OS, software makers, all of them, I think they're finally getting the fact of grasping or understanding that, hey, we need to listen to the consumers more. Therefore, I think rooting is kind of becoming like a thing of the past. You know what I mean? But I don't know. I mean, I was about to root my phone and try to put Android Oreo update on my Note 8, but then I was like, nah, just wait. I just didn't feel like going through it. Even though with the use of Odin is very easy and very simple, I just didn't feel like doing it. You know what I mean? I just think it's just like, why go through the hassle? Sometimes you don't have to wait as long anymore for these updates unless you have a Samsung phone. But most time Android be pushing out updates pretty fast now, so it's kind of like, what's the point? But let me know what you guys think. You know what I mean? Are you guys out there still rooting your Android phones? Is that something that you still do on a regular basis? Is that something you will continue to do? Or do you feel like I feel, where Android has gotten to the point of a mature state where you don't really need to do that anymore, and most of the things that you really care about in a phone, they essentially already have on it? But let me know what you think in the comment section, man. Please make sure this video get, 50 likes. Make sure you share the video, help your boy get out there more. Other than that, man, it's your boy Sean B Nice, and I'm out. Deuces.